Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, I wanted to talk to you today about the ATM business. And this particular video is from my series, actually my product, which is the ATM Mogul product. And this training here is going to teach you a little bit more about the ATM machine business, where you open, where you own your own ATMs, and a lot more. It's a huge a lot of information, but I wanted just to kind of open your eyes to it. So I wanted to release this video to you for free. If you want to get on a coaching call with me and get some consultation about the ATM business, you could contact me at thepostrepreneur@gmail.com, and then we can set something up for you. But without further ado, here's the video.
This is a little bonus video that I wanted to add about the future of the ATM IDO business. The reason that I wanted to add this is because a lot of people see ATM placements out there from larger institutions, or they may see other ATMs placed in different locations. And I am here to tell you that there is opportunity there that the big banks just cannot take advantage of. Many of the big banks, such as Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and others, are trying to get into this business. And you have to ask yourself, why is that? That is because they see the potential to increase their revenues and increase their profits. Why else would banks install ATMs in locations that are not their banks, their financial institutions themselves? It is because they already know that this is a lucrative business opportunity, and they hope that individual distributors such as yourself and me do not go into this business. But as I stated earlier, there is a flaw in their model and a weakness that we do not have affect us. They cannot access many of the higher traffic and higher profit locations, which means that these locations are completely open to an independent distributor, such as myself and you. Another issue is that the technology in the ATM business changes with the times and industry standards. But since you are an independent distributor, you are able to change quicker with the times and industry standards than the large national financial institutions. Another opportunity that I want to talk about is, as an independent operator, you can easily scale this business. This business will definitely be around for the future and many, many years to come. You have to understand that, as we say in the business, cash is king. Even though you don't see or haven't thought of many ways that this particular business opportunity works, it doesn't mean that it's not viable and a lucrative business opportunity.
All right, if you see me right now, that means that you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. And I just wanted to add that if you wanted a little bit more information about the my training, you can go ahead and click on one of the videos in the that was one of the cards in the entire video, or go to my channel, The Postrepreneur, and there is a complete playlist about ATM, the ATM business and how it works and things of that nature. So just get yourself educated. If it's something that you want to learn a little bit more about, you can get a free one-on-one coaching consultation call with me, a free 20-minute one-on-one consultation coaching call with me. Just click on the email link below. It's at thepostrepreneur@gmail.com. And then in their request, say, hi, I would like to get a free coaching call. And then I'll send you an email and we'll set up a free coaching call through Skype or Zoom or something of that nature. Now, after we do the coaching call, you could just decide what you want to do from there. But I'm also going to be offering a couple of more little tidbits for you. So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, and see you in the next video.